I'm Brad Hall, and I've got a really good one for you today. I teamed up with Adidas, and I'm giving one lucky fan a style makeover. That's gonna be a little bit later in the show. Up first, I've got the Adidas Oswego. I'm gonna be talking about that shoe in a second. This is the Oswego. It is inspired by a 90s shoe, the 1998 Oswego 3. First things first, that cushioning. You've got adiprene. I love how plush this is. So soft, almost doughy, but it's also responsive. Up top, you've got a nice mix going on. You've got some mesh, you've got some suede, you've got some 3M. When I first laid my eyes on this shoe, this is what they went to. This squiggle. Now, two things that totally caught me off guard with this shoe. You've got this. It's a tube that runs back here so you can get on your shoe easily. And then while we're up here, the other thing that caught me off guard, this leather tongue. Now, I wanted to do something really special with Adidas for this shoe. I came up with giving a fan a style makeover. I sent out a notice on my Instagram, so many great responses. I wish I could have picked everyone, but I just couldn't pick everyone, so I picked one person. And the person I picked, his response stood out because he's not looking for a total makeover. He's simply looking to evolve his style. I wanted to take on that challenge, take someone who has a good eye for style and just elevate it a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. On my way to @Jaden Underwood's place, so I did study his style intimately. I noticed that he wears a lot of button downs, a lot of casual looking pants, a little bit of camo, and I just wanted to elevate that, so I did go shopping. I went to some thrift stores. Let's get this makeover going. Should be quite a transformation coming up.
Hi, how you doing? Jaden, nice to meet you.
Jaden, it's so nice to meet you. I'm Brad Hall. I'm so excited about your style makeover.
Thank you, I am too. What's up, y'all? My name is Jaden Underwood. I'm 19 years old. I'm a junior at Northwestern University. If I had to describe my personal style, I'd honestly say like nothing too outside the box. As far as my aesthetic, I think I just dress pretty modern. What I'm wearing now is honestly what I'd wear on an average day.
Doing a great job with your current style. I just wanted to elevate. I think this new look is gonna do exactly that. I've got this nice pair of blue jeans. This is actually the exact same pair of jeans that I'm wearing right now.
Really?
This is just kind of an evolution. You can see Jaden's jean is a lighter jean. This is a little bit darker. Your favorite shirt is a button down. I wanted to get you that same kind of look, but just a little bit different, just evolving the style. So I got you this button down.
Appreciate it, thank you.
You talked about you're very into cool shirts. I thought, why not make it an even cooler shirt? This is just something that I think is gonna be a big hit on a college campus. Just shows that you're really with it. You told me you're big into outerwear. You like wearing outerwear.
Yes.
I also noticed you wore a lot of camo. This really cool camo jacket.
I don't think I've ever worn anything. I haven't worn anything like this before.
So it's pushing your style just a little bit forward.
Yeah.
It is reversible. Does this feel up your alley?
This side is definitely pushing the boundaries of what I've worn and what I would think of wearing.
You're not too, I'll say, showy.
Correct.
You like to keep it casual, cool. Now I wanted to push that a little bit with this choice, so.
Ooh, interesting. Yo, these are dope. Yo, that's dope.
This Oswego, it is a 90s inspired shoe. I think I found a nice item that just will tie the shoes to the outfit perfectly. It is a necklace. Be careful, it's just taped on.
I'm having trouble picturing the outfit right now, but I'm sure it will come to me in the future.
Let's see what that outfit looks like. Here it is. Wow. It is even better than I thought. How do you feel right now?
Feel different. Definitely feel different.
I think I would like to lose this necklace. It blocks the shirt, so now that is a really good look. What do you think
Yes.
about those shoes?
I like the shoes a lot, actually. It's probably one of my more favorite parts of this outfit.
So the shoes you would put above the shirt?
No, I think in order I would go shirts.
T-shirt is the top one, so very cool outfit.
Different than expected, but it's a welcome change. As I said, I'm always looking to evolve my style, try out new things, and everything in my body right now pretty much is a new thing for me. So
it's great to meet you.
Great meeting you.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.
It was nice to spend some time with you. Everything went better than I would have thought. Jaden Underwood seemed happy. The shoes were a hit. The camo, I think he's open to the camo, and hearing that he loved the shirt, it's just a successful episode.